In this video, I'll show you how to install FileZilla on macOS to connect to your server. First, open your browser and search for FileZilla. Go ahead and click on their official website, filezilla-project.org. Since you're using your Mac to connect to a server, your machine acts as the client. Because of that, you'll want to click on the Download FileZilla Client button. Now, if you're on an older Intel Mac, just click the standard download button. But if you're rocking an M-series chip, click the X button below to select the Apple Silicon version, and then hit the download button that pops up at the top. A new window will appear with a few addition options. For this tutorial, I'll just choose the free version and click Download. Once it's done, you'll get a compressed file. Just extract it and you'll see a file named filezilla.app. From here, it's super easy. Just drag and drop this file right into your Applications folder. After it's installed, let's open it up using Spotlight. The first time you launch it, click Open to confirm and grant it the necessary permissions to access folders on your Mac. Alright, here is the main interface. To make a basic connection to your server, just follow these steps. First, in the host field, type in your server's IP address. Next, enter your username and password. You can usually find these details in the admin dashboard of your hosting provider. Finally, you need to specify the port. If you haven't set a custom port, the default is usually 22. Once that's filled out, hit Quick Connect. A prompt will ask if you want to save your password for next time. I'll go ahead and save it, then click OK. Since this is your first time connecting to this specific server, check the box that says Always trust this host so you don't get bugged by this alert again. And there you go. If all your info is correct, you are now connected to your server. The left window shows the files on your Mac, and the right window shows the files on your server. To upload a file, navigate to your desired destination folder on the right side. Then, find the file you want to upload on the left side, right-click it, and select Upload. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.